This is the IRM Moto blue peg installation video. These blue pegs will fit BMW R1200 models from 2010 to 2012. In your kit, you will receive a left side, a right side, and a hardware kit. For this installation video, we're only going to be working on the right side of the bike. The first thing we're going to do is remove these two exhaust manifold nuts. You're going to get a deep well 12mm socket. We'll crack those loose and take them off. Next, you're going to go into your hardware kit, pull out two coupler nuts, get a 13mm deep well socket on an extension, and we're going to thread these on to the existing exhaust studs and tighten it to 21 Newton meters. Next, you'll grab the right side assembly, put it in the opening position, make sure that the recession holes are facing towards the motor, and put it onto the coupler nuts. Next, you go back into your hardware kit, grab an 8mm bolt, put the lock washer on it, and now we're going to thread it into the coupler nuts using a 6mm hex key and torque it to 21 Newton meters. That's it for this install. It's quite simple. All you're going to need to do now is just repeat that same thing for the left side, and you're good to go.